a move that could reshape India's healthcare landscape, Dr. Devi Shetty's Narayana Health has launched its own health insurance product, Aditi, becoming the first hospital chain in the country to own an insurance company. Now, this step aims to eliminate one entity from the traditional insurance ecosystem, reducing costs and simplifying the claim settlement process. In the usual insurance game, there are three players: the insurance company, the hospital, and the patient. By combining the roles of the hospital and insurer, Narayana Health aims to streamline the entire process. Dr. Shetty, the chairman of Narayana Health, believes that this will lead to more affordable and efficient healthcare for everyone. But that's not what makes Aditi a game changer. It's the low premium price. So what is Aditi? Aditi offers a family coverage at an annual premium of just rupees 10,000. This plan provides a sum insured of rupees 1 crore for surgery and rupees 5 lakh for treatment costs within the Narayana Health network hospitals. Traditional insurance companies charge somewhere between 20,000 and 48,000 for similar coverage. The scheme will initially be piloted in 4 districts around Mysuru before expanding to other parts of Karnataka. Narayana Aditi is designed to protect families from the financial burdens of medical expenses, offering peace of mind during challenging times, Dr. Shetty announced during the launch event in Bengaluru. India needs 70 million surgeries annually, but only 20 million are performed due to financial constraints, he said. This lack of access results in 17 million deaths worldwide, far exceeding those caused by diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV. Now, for large countries like India, insurance is the most feasible way to ensure healthcare for all, he said. So how is Aditi so affordable? Here's how Narayana Health aims to roll out such low premiums. Number 1, eliminate unwanted benefits. Aditi removes features like restore, recharge, coverage multiplier, and no claims bonus, offering straightforward and adequate cover. Number 2, eliminate waiting periods. Aditi eliminates most waiting periods, simplifying communication and building trust. Number 3, reduce network size. By focusing on Narayana Health hospitals, Aditi lowers costs and improves patient experience. Number 4, reduce expensive room choices. Aditi covers only general wards, significantly reducing costs without compromising care quality. Next, reduce expensive distribution. By passing high commissions to distributors, Aditi passes savings directly to customers. Next, raise the sum insured. Aditi offers substantial coverage, rupees 1 crore for surgeries and rupees 5 lakh for other admissions. Next, raise cost sharing. A rupees 2,000 per day deductible encourages responsible use of healthcare services, keeping costs down. Increase underwriting. Create differentiated cover. Create meaningful add-ons. Practical add-ons include annual health checkups, access to doctors on the phone, and discounts on medicines and tests. Now, if Aditi succeeds, it could reshape the entire healthcare landscape in India. But the question is, will Narayana Health be able to keep costs low as they expand to other states and potentially open up to other hospital networks? I'm Deepthi Rao and you are watching India Today So South.